Hey, my people, I don't know whether this one are the Nollywood movie for real life whether this one are Snake Kingdom part 1 and 2, because e dey like na the thing wey e be one Nigerian man don die after spiritual snake bite am. Dem talk say this snake na spiritual snake. And this guy wey this snake bite, him name na Anthony Oregon. Yes, this Oregon dey sound like a broad name. I wonder wetin they do for where snake bite am. Yes, so him name na Anthony Oregon. Dem call am for phone say pigs don dey chop him crop na so this man, I sure say him get farm for them to call am like that. Him live where him dey, come the farm, at least make him pursue the pigs dem wey dey chop him crop na, because na person suffer be that. The next thing, him come farm, him no see pig. Wetin him see for him farm na snake. And as he see this snake, na so the man take shift back so that at least to avoid the snake, next thing, snake fly on top of him body, bite am for leg. Hey, my people, this kind flying snake, I don't know whether I call am anaconda or na spiritual snake. I don't know the one, whether na Rottweiler na dog, before I go talk rubbish. Hey, my people, I don't know wetin to call this kind snake na so the snake take bite am. Person wey snake bite, no be for you to go find hospital immediately or find something tie your leg make e no dey go forward. For am na spiritual snake make him kill am na so him battle with snake, go kill snake. After him kill snake finish, na when him go dey take care of him leg. My people, na so him go dey take care of leg no heal. The poison don already go deep down into his system. Na so this snake bite kill this man Everything for Nigeria, dem go dey see am as spiritual battle. Everything for Nigeria na spiritual case. Na so I come Ghana. Nigerians wey dey nearly dem see pussy dey waka, blood of Jesus, I cast and bind, I destroy. Everything dem see na spiritual battle. Nollywood don confuse everybody mind. Dem no know the one wey be reality and the one wey be fake something. This thing fit be normal snake wey just bite am him go don see am as spiritual case. Something him go tie him leg, him dey try to kill the spiritual snake. Oh yeah, he don kill spiritual snake finish. The dead body of snake still dey alive. So if na spiritual snake, una no go dey expect say snake go disappear. Snake no disappear snake dey there till the man die, he no recover. Hey, my people, I don't know wetin to call this one again. Man wey dem suppose rush go hospital, he allow venom. The venom travel reach him heart till him die. Which kind illiteracy be this one? Person wey suppose go treat himself in dey house. I don't know whether dem dey do traditional healing for house, abi dem dey do herbal treatment for house. Dem no carry this man go hospital. Now see him dead body now dem don put am for coffin. Now na dead man him be. And who be that witchcraft, abi na witch or wizard wey go call man pikin for phone say pig dey chop him crop when pig no dey for that place, rather na snake dey? Maybe na the reason why the man go reason say na spiritual snake, because him come him no see pig come see snake, wetin he go reason? And the snake wey fit fly, whether the snake get wings, come land on top of him leg bite am. Like I no even understand where to reason from but this man, may his gentle soul rest in peace. Like this, they don bury am for Edo State. Na there dem take bury am This man is a gunman, and dem say na spiritual snake bite am. My people, na the tori wey I carry come una side make una use una ear hear wetin dey happen. Say spiritual snake wey dey Nollywood don come real life dey tackle people. This story shock me. Now the reason why I say ma bring am come here, make una use una ear dey hear wetin dey happen for this country, because every day different things dey happen. Now still the same country wey dem say snake swallow money. If snake fit swallow money, spiritual snake go fit dey na. Spiritual snake wey go bite person no dey heal, the person don die. My people, una don see wetin happen If una get anything to talk concerning this matter, make una drop am for the comment section. We go reply everybody one by one. Please don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to this channel, and I'll see you guys in the next video.